Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday Crochet. I'm Marissa and I have a very special video today because Christmas came a little early. I have this giant box and this, friends, is the 2025 Hobbii Crochet Advent Calendar. I'm so excited. It just arrived today. I haven't opened it yet. So this video, we're gonna unbox this bad boy. We're gonna open up. We're gonna see how Hobbii sent this advent calendar to me, and we're gonna talk about what this package consists of, how they structured their advent calendar, and then maybe I'll do a little sneak peek and open up just the first piece of it. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I did slice it open just so I wasn't struggling with that on camera, but I haven't actually looked at anything yet. So this really is a first look. I'm so excited. So this advent calendar just went live on their site this past weekend, and I immediately hit purchase, and it just arrived today. It arrived in like 5 or 6 days, which is crazy. The way they've structured their advent calendar is it consists of 4 bags or like mini crochet kits. They also have a knitting version and an omagrini version as well. So in this box, we have 4 bags, one for each kit. So we're gonna see what's what. So first on top, there's a little card. Oh my goodness. It says Happy Cozy Yarn-Filled Christmas from Hobbii. There's a QR code on the back, because what's really interesting about this kit is I have it now. It is August 28th and I have my advent calendar. So what Hobbii has done is you can purchase it now. You'll receive it now. The patterns will not be available until starting November 30th. So starting November 30th, every Sunday, they will put up each pattern one at a time on every subsequent Sunday. And that way, on that day, you can open the corresponding bag and start your project. So I think that's a really interesting idea and a really fabulous way for them to get these advent calendars out to people without causing a backlog in their warehouse at the busiest time of year, because I'm sure we've all ordered an advent calendar from somewhere at some point, and it just kind of like the shipping gets messed up because they're all trying to get it all out of the warehouse all at once. So I love that they've done it this way, where I have it, I can feel it, I can get excited about it, but I can't actually start until they want me to. And then also they sent little stickers. There's a little yarn snowman. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I love stickers. I'm a huge junkie for stickers, and these are so stinking cute. I can't. I love it. And the theme for this year's advent calendar is A Winter's Tale. So okay, so what is happening in here? Okay, so this is number 1. This is the first bag. It's got a little wreath on it. It says number 1. I feel like a box or something in it. It says A Winter's Tale. And for each of these advent calendars, the 3 variations they've done, they partnered with a different crochet designer or influencer. And so this one is with Crochet Highway. So we can expect a lot of really interesting interlocking color work, I think, from these. And according to their website and the marketing material they put out, each one of these, there's 4 pieces, and it's going to be gloves, a hat, a scarf, and a cowl. We don't know what order. We don't know colors. We don't know stitches. It's all a mystery. We just know that at the end of this, we will have those 4 items. So that's super exciting. So this is number 2. It's got a little star on it. It's super cute. And these canvas bags are really gorgeous. I don't know what I'll do with them afterwards, but they're super adorable. This is the smallest one I've picked up so far. This is number 3. It's got a little wreath on it. So this definitely feels like the lightest so far. And last but not least is number 4. It's a little tree or oh my goodness, I'm terrible at this. It's a little tree ornament. Super cute. I will say definitely bag number 1 is like the bulkiest of the bags. So we're going to put this box down here, and I'm sure Albus Cat will run in here momentarily and jump in there because he loves a good box. So this is bag number 1. Sit. I'm gonna open it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. A note about these is, what is this? A crochet, crochet hooks are not included in this set. They did say that you need a 3, a 4, a 5, and an 8 to complete all 4 things. So do make sure if you're purchasing this, you have those size hooks with you. Guys, there's a secret gift. There's 2 secret gifts. Oh my goodness. So this first kit has 2 skeins of yarn. We've got a beautiful green, like a sage green, and white. Or not, this isn't white, this is a cream. This is cream. So we have sage green and white Highland wool. So no idea what this is for, but I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. It's killing me to put these things back in here. I want to open everything so bad. So there's 2 gifts in this first bag. In the first bag, I'm not going to say what they are. Just know that if you get it, you're not just getting the 4 kits. You're also getting some surprise goodies as well. So that's super exciting. Okay, so now I want to know if there's other gifts because I was not anticipating that. So where's bag number 2? This video is off the rails because I have 0 self-control. Oh my goodness. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's another gift. What is it? What's this? Oh, God. Okay. So for bag 2, we have another gift. I don't know what it is. We have another gift. And then we have 3 skeins of yarn in 2 colors. We have some sock wool in like a very nice, like a cappuccino kind of color, and then like a nice dark, it's either a very dark brown or a berry. I can't really tell with the lighting in it, but that's what we're looking at. So that's incredibly exciting. I'm going to put this little guy back in here. Mystery gift number 2. All right, what are we looking at for bag 3? This is so exciting. It really is like Christmas came early. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Freaking out. All right, so I'm obsessed. Okay, so in this one we have 2 more gifts. 2 more gifts. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mystery gifts so far, in addition to the kits you buy. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Oh, I love these colors. I love this. I love this. So we have 2 skeins of Tweed Delight. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love these colors so much. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm freaking out. Freaking out. All right. Last but not least, this is bag number 4. All right. Shut up. There's more gifts. Shut up. Oh my gosh. There's 3 more gifts. Y'all, there's 3 more gifts. Oh my God. Oh my God. And we have 2 skeins of Pearly Haze in this gorgeous, absolutely fabulous color. I don't even know what to describe this as, but it's beautiful and I'm obsessed with it and I cannot wait to see what this is for. Oh my goodness. So that's it. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many did this have? 8. You get 8 surprise gifts, 4 bags of crochet goodies to make 4 delightful winter items in the 2025 Hobbii Advent Calendar. This looks so incredible. I'm so excited to be able to start crafting whatever they have in store for us. November 30th cannot come fast enough. I love fall. I know. I do love fall though. I've never wanted November to be here this fast because I am so excited about all of these things. So if you've not ordered this kit yet, get your butt over to Hobbii. This is not sponsored anyway. This is me just being excited, and order this beautiful, beautiful crochet kit because it truly looks fabulous. Leave your comments. Have you purchased this? Have you purchased one of the other ones? Guess if you want to give guesses as to what the gifts are. What do you think each kit will make? We know those 4 items, but we don't know what goes with what. Give me your guesses, give me your thoughts, give me your opinions. I can't wait to hear it. And I look forward to crafting all these items with y'all this winter. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for joining. Bye.